Alright, so I saw this request on Reddit on Fusion 360, and I figured I'd make a video not only for this person but also for my students, uh, as we're also doing a holiday themed project in my class. So the student or the poster here in Reddit wanted to know how they can make a Santa hat. So they started with the circle and this kind of shape of a Santa hat, but using splines. But I think there's a little bit better way to do this. So here we go. So flipping over to Fusion 360. So first we'll start with sketching from the bottom. So sketch, or from the top down plane, do a circle, center point circle. We'll start with a 50 millimeter circle. So this is going to be the bottom of our hat. We're going to finish this sketch. I'm going to spin it back ISO, go back to the front, and then we're going to kind of create the overall curve shape of my Santa hat. So create a sketch on the front plane. I'm just going to do some lines. So using the line tool, we'll start at the origin point, kind of make a diagonal up because my kind of the way I want the Santa hat to go. I'm going to start to give it a little bit of a curve here. Curve it a little bit more. There we go. So that's the beginning of the Santa hat. From here, I'm just going to do a simple, say a simple sweep, but got our, I'm sorry, not a sweep. We're going to do a loft. Loft, our two profiles are going to be the circle at the bottom and the point at the end of the line. Now, it's not really a Santa hat here, so we're going to use our guide type, which is our center line. And our center line is going to be the curve here, so kind of giving us the curve of the Santa hat. So I feel like I'm kind of good there. From here, I'm going to create a sphere. So in the solid folder, going to go sphere. I'm going to pick that middle front plane again to sketch on, and I'm going to start with the ball right here at the tip. I'm going to do new body. So now we've got the hat, the ball. So now to kind of finish this off, we're going to do the bottom. So I'm going to scroll over to the bottom. I'm going to create a sketch on the bottom, and this is going to be for the brim of the hat. So I'm going to project the outside lines of my hat from earlier, the circle on the bottom. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to do an offset of those lines. We're going to just do it for about 2 millimeters. We're going to finish that. Extrude just the brim there. We'll pan to kind of give us a 3D direction. That looks like a solid amount, so 15 millimeters roughly. Again, new body. And then to really make this work as a hat, we're going to shell the inside of our hat. We're going to just go inside 1 millimeter. Give that hat that thin inside piece. Now to finish this all off, from the front, I'm going to get rid of my grid lines. I'm going to do A for appearance. I'm going to duplicate this. We're actually going to change this to plastic. Delete. Chances are you might be like my class doing this for a 3D printed project, so I'm just going to go with a plastic matte red. I'm going to double up with a plastic matte white right beside it. I'm going to drop the white on the bottom. Drop the white on the ball, and there we go. Very quick, rough and dirty Santa hat. It's shelled on the inside. It's got our brim. It's got a ball on the top. You can also use some textured plastic or different things if you want as well. So again, just a quick and dirty Santa hat. Hopefully this helps you.